Get a little touch. Okay, he just kind of hangs out in there, or pretty much my bed, and he's had no issues with using this. I really like it. It doesn't move, like it you know what I mean, it's got some grip on the bottom, which I could show you. See, it's got those little like bottom of the slippers kind of grip on it, so it doesn't slip when he tries to get up. It's got this nice rib texture, which I think is helpful because I think it helps, you know, him prevent from slipping. And then it's really soft. It's almost like a memory foam type, but like a firm one. So he has no issues. Our pit bull mix actually also uses the stairs, which is hilarious. It is the height kind of to a standard bed. I don't have any risers or anything on the bed. So overall, very happy with this.
What a beautiful day.
Oh, dear. Good girl.